Refill the distilled water tank in the HP Jet Fusion 300 and 500 3D printer series when prompted by the front panel. At the prompt, touch Start. Printing cannot start until the water level is above the minimum fill line on the water tank. You must add distilled water to print. To access the distilled water tank, open the agent door. Open the water tank drawer. Then, open the tank cover. Add distilled water to the tank until it reaches the maximum fill line. Use a clean cloth or towel to wipe any water around the tank. Close the tank cover, then close the water tank drawer. Close the agent door and touch OK on the front panel to clear the low water message and continue printing.